Today we're learning how to be safe at the beach and where to swim.
Ooh, what does that whistle mean?
We'll find out.
soon. But first, let's start with our hello song. Let's learn together, come and see. With Miss P's it's fun you'll see. We'll count, we'll sing, we'll dance, we'll play. Let's have some fun today. Great job, everyone. Look, friends, Milo's beach ready with his hat, sunglasses and bucket and spade. Don't forget to keep an eye out for him and count how many times he pops up in today's show, friends.
That's right, Miss P2. Friends, when we're at the beach, we need to make sure that we get ready the safe way because we need to be safe at the beach.
That's right, Miss P1. Let's look up on the board and put these pictures in the correct order on how we can be safe at the beach.
Can you help us?
You can? That's great!
What's first? What do we need to put on our skin to keep it protected from the sun? Yes, that's right, friends. Sunscreen. Let's rub on our sunscreen. Rub, rub, rub on the arms. Now our legs. Don't forget the face. Oh, behind the ears. Rub, rub, rub. Great job, everyone. What would come next?
What would we need to wear to be able to swim safely and stay sun safe in the water? Yes, friends, we need to put on a rashie to protect our skin, and some friends wear armbands to keep them safe in the water.
Let's pretend to put on our rashy shirt. Ready?
Slide your armbands on. Fantastic, friends.
Let's find out what picture comes next. What would we wear on our head to keep us safe in the sun? Yes, that's right. We need to wear a hat and sunglasses when we are out in the sun. Let's pretend to put on our hat and our sunglasses. Click. Yay!
Give yourselves a big thumbs up. Great job. Let's see what would come next. What would we need to bring to the beach to keep us feeling well and hydrated?
What does hydrated mean, Miss P2?
Great question, Miss P1. Hydrated means your body has enough water. Can you say the word hydrated together with us, friends? Hydrated. Hydrated. Great job, everyone. What would we need to bring to make sure our body has enough water? That's right, friends. We need to bring water. Let's pretend to sip our water. We need to drink lots of water when we're out in the sun so we don't get thirsty.
Let's look at what would come next. What would we need to wear on our feet when we walk to the beach?
Yes, friends. We need to put on our
beach shoes. Hot sand and rocks can hurt our feet. Ouch!
Now, what do we need to bring with us to dry ourselves off after we've been in the water? Fantastic work, friends. You are right. We need our towel. Let's also take with us a shade umbrella or a beach tent so we can rest out of the sun in the shade.
And look at our last picture. Red and yellow flags. That shows us the safe place to swim. You must always swim between the red and yellow flags, friends, so that the lifeguard can keep you safe when you are swimming at the beach. Remember, friends, safety first, always. We need to always keep ourselves, family, and friends safe by following these important safety rules.
Give yourselves a big thumbs up.
You all did such an amazing job.
It's time for some speech talk now, friends. Listen and watch our mouths as we say our focus words and follow along with us.
Are you ready, friends? You are? That's great. Let's talk.
Let's say the word sunscreen. What word can you hear? What sound can you hear at the beginning of the word sunscreen, friends? Yes, that's right. The first sound is s, s, s. Say the word sunscreen together with us, friends. Sunscreen. S, s, sunscreen. Great job.
Our next focus word is shade. Say the word shade together with us, friends. Ready?
Shade. Sh, sh, shade.
Can you hear the sh sound at the start of the word shade?
You can.
Great job, friends. Say the word shade together with us. Ready?
Shade. Sh, sh, shade. Our next word is flags. Can you hear the first sound in the word flags? Yes, that's right. The first sound says f. Say the word flags together with us, friends. Flags. Fantastic, friends.
The next focus word is waves.
Waves.
Say the word waves together with us. Ready?
Waves. Waves. Great job, everyone. Our last word is rashy. What is the first sound you hear when you hear the word rashy? Yes, that's right, friends. It's the r. Say the word rashy together with us, friends. Ready? Rashy. Rashy. Great job, friends.
Time for our beach rules, friends. This is a game that we're going to play. These keep everyone safe and are very important.
That's right. Rule 1. Always stay with a grown-up. Let's practice holding hands with our grown-up.
Rule 2. Swim between the red and yellow flags. The flags show the safe spot to swim. The lifeguards are able to watch us safely as we have fun at the beach and swim in the water. So swimming in between the flags keep us safe. Let's pretend to swim with an adult in between the flags. Ready?
The red and yellow flags.
Ready?
Great job, friends. Rule 3. Listen to the lifeguard. If you hear a whistle, stop and look. The lifeguard may be trying to tell you something important that will keep you safe. So always look and listen if you hear the whistle. Stop. Look. Great job, friends.
Fantastic listening is. Rule 4. Walk, don't run. Always walk near water and rocks. It can be very slippery, and when we don't want to fall and slip and hurt ourselves,
No.
so we always use our walking feet. Keep safe.
Especially by rocks. Rule 5. Never turn your back to the waves. Face the ocean. Always watch for dangers. And always be safe. Let's pretend to watch for dangers in the water. Great watching!
Rule 6. Drink water and rest in the shade. Always be sun smart. The sun is very hot. We need to drink lots of water, wear sunscreen, hat and sunglasses, and rest in the shade.
That's right, Miss P1.
Don't forget, friends, follow these very important beach rules. They are important and it's necessary that you listen. Stay safe, always swim between the red and yellow flags, always stay with an adult.
Do you want to play a game? You do? That's great! We love games. Let's play safe or not safe. Give a big thumbs up if the picture is safe and give a big thumbs down if the action in the picture is not safe.
Are you ready, friends?
Let's play!
Let's look at our first picture. child is running on wet rocks. Is this safe or not safe? That's right, friends. Running on wet rocks is not safe. You could slip, fall and hurt yourself. You must always walk carefully. Great job, friends.
The next picture is a picture of a family swimming between the red and yellow flags. Is this safe or not safe? That's right, friends. This is safe. We must always swim between the red and yellow flags to keep ourselves safe at the beach.
Look, friends, this picture shows a child swimming in the water without a grown-up. Is this safe or not safe? Yes, that's right. It's not safe. You must always swim and stay with your grown-up.
Always. Let's look at the next picture. We have a child with their grown-up facing the waves and looking out for danger. Is this safe or not safe? Yes, that's right, friends. This is being safe. We must always look out for dangers with a grown-up before we swim.
Great work, everyone. You did such a great job looking for safe and not safe pictures.
You are amazing safety spotters.
It's time to move our bodies at the beach, friends.
Listen to the music and follow along with us, friends.
Let's start with some hot sand tiptoes.
Are you ready? Great job, friends. Now let's do a crab walk.
Ready? Together. Ready?
Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Way and that way. Great crab walk, friends.
Our next movement is bend your knees and watch the waves and watch the dangers. Ready?
Bend and watch. Bend and watch. Bend and watch. Bend and watch.
One more.
Bend and watch. Great job. Let's be starfish. Star jumps. Are you ready? Jump out. Jump in. Jump in. Jump out. Jump in. Jump out. Jump in. Jump out. Jump in. Give yourself a big thumbs up. Fantastic moving, friends.
We have learned so much today and had so much fun. Let's sum up all that we have learned by singing our beach safety song.
Let's go.
Between the red and yellow flags, we splash and play on sunny days. Stay with your grown-up hand in hand, safe by the sea on soft warm sand. Between the red and yellow flags, listen, look and follow the signs. Stay with your grown-up hand in hand, safe by the sea on soft warm sand. Sunscreen on, rashy too, hat and sunnies, me and you. Water bottle ready in hand, hold your grown-up's friendly hand. Find some shade, sip, 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 check the flags before you dip. Smiles and cheers, we're beach day ready. Stay together, calm and steady. Where do we swim? Between the flags. Hear a whistle, stop and listen. How do we move? Walk, don't run. Who helps us here? Lifeguards do. Between the red and yellow flags, we splash and play on sunny days. Stay with your grown-up hand in hand, safe by the sea on soft warm sand. Hear the water nice and slow, watch the waves and where we go. Share the toys sand between the red and yellow flags. Listening eyes and happy smiles. Safe by the sea for you and me. Beach day fun for sunny miles. Beach day fun for sunny miles.
Fantastic, friends! You all did great!
You were brilliant beach buddies today.
How many times did our cheeky little Milo Mouse pop up in today's show, friends? Yes, that's right. Milo Mouse popped up 4 times today.
Let's count to 4 together, friends.
Ready?
1,
2,
3,
4. Great job, everyone.
It's time for us to head off for a swim now, Miss P1.
Time for us too to say goodbye now, friends. We had so much fun playing and learning with you all, and we can't wait to see you again for more learning fun right here at Miss P's Playhouse.
And remember, friends,
Smile big, be kind every day. Bye, friends. Wow, friends, what a great time we've had today. Today's show was aligned with the early years learning outcomes, which you can find in the description below.
if you love learning with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
And click the bell icons so that you never miss a new episode.
We can't wait to learn and play with you again soon.
Remember, smile big, be kind every day. Bye, friends.